Common mistakes in English and how to avoid them. Confusing similar words. He go to school every day, he goes to school every day. Always remember to add s/es with he, she, it in present tense. Wrong prepositions. I am married with him. I am married to him. Learn prepositions with phrases, not just words. For example, interested in, good at, married to. Overusing article. She is the teacher of English. She is an English teacher. Use a/n for professions and the only when it's specific. Incorrect word order in questions. You are going where? Where are you going? In questions, use question word auxiliary subject main verb, using wrong tenses. I am agree with you. I agree with you. Agree is not continuous. Some verbs like know, believe, love, agree are usually in simple present, not continuous. Double negatives. I don't need no help. I don't need any help. In English, two negatives make the meaning wrong. Use only one negative. Confusing vocabulary. They're going to the park. They're going to the park. Always check meaning. Their possession, their place, there they are. Pronunciation mistakes. Comfortably saying every letter. Comfortable, English spelling and pronunciation are different. Listen carefully and practice with native audio. Tips to avoid mistakes. Read and listen more English daily. Keep a notebook of your mistakes. Practice speaking slowly and clearly. Learn phrases, not just single words. Unnecessary plurals. She has many informations. She has a lot of information. Words like information, advice, furniture, news are uncountable, so they don't take s. Wrong use of since and for. I have lived here since 5 years. I have lived here for 5 years. Use since with a starting point, since 2010, and for with a period of time, for 5 years. Using very too much. It is very very hot today. It is extremely hot today. Try stronger words instead of very very big huge, very tired exhausted. Misusing much and many. I have much friends. I have many friends. Use many with countable nouns, friends, books, and much with uncountable nouns, money, sugar. Wrong past form. I have ate breakfast already. I have eaten breakfast already. Learn the 3 forms of verbs. Eat, ate, eaten, go, went, gone, using will after. If it will rain, we will stay home. If it rains, we will stay home. In first conditional sentences, don't use will after if. Using wrong comparative forms. She is more prettier than her sister. She is prettier than her sister. Don't use more with adjectives that already have. Translating directly from native language. Open the light, please. Turn on the light, please. Some phrases don't translate word by word. Learn them as fixed expressions. Forgetting subject. Is raining outside. It is raining outside. Always use a subject, I, you, he, she, it, we, they, in English sentences. Mixing up do and make. I make my homework every day. I do my homework every day. General rule, use make for producing/creating, make a cake, make a mistake, and do for tasks/activities, do homework, do the dishes. Using people is instead of people are. People is friendly here. People are friendly here. People is plural, so always use plural verbs. Confusing few and a few. I have few friends, so I am happy. I have a few friends. So I am happy. Few means almost none, negative. A few means some, positive. Saying according to me, English is easy. In my opinion, English is easy. Use according to only for other people's ideas, not your own. Using because and so together. Because it was raining, so we stayed home. Because it was raining, we stayed home. It was raining, so we stayed home. Use either because or so, not both. Wrong use of too and enough. He is enough tall to play basketball. He is tall enough to play basketball. Remember, too adjective, too hot, and adjective enough, strong enough. Using every with plural noun. Every students passed the exam. Every student passed the exam. After every, always use singular nouns, mixing up say and tell. She said me the story. She told me the story. Use say words, she said hello, and tell person, she told me a secret. Forgetting ing after enjoy, like, love. I enjoy to play football. I enjoy playing football. After enjoy, like, love, hate use verb ing, using can for past ability. When I was young, I can swim very well. When I was young, I could swim very well. Use could for past ability, confusing who and whom. Who did you give the book to? Less formal but common, whom did you give the book to? Formal, who subject, whom object. But in modern English, who is often used in daily speech, using less with countable nouns. There are less people in the park today. There are fewer people in the park today. Use fewer with countable nouns, less with uncountable nouns. Wrong word after discuss. Let's discuss about this problem. Let's discuss this problem. Discuss already includes the meaning of about, using me as the subject. Me and my friend went to the park. My friend and I went to the park. Use I as the subject, not me, saying he don't instead of he doesn't. He don't like pizza. He doesn't like pizza. With he, she, it, always use doesn't in the present tense, mixing up each other and one another. The two brothers love one another. The two brothers love each other. Use each other for two people, one another for more than two, forgetting past tense in questions. Did you went to school yesterday? Did you go to school yesterday? After did, always use the base form of the verb. Confusing too and also. I like coffee, too much. I like coffee too / I also like coffee. Too equals in addition, too much equals more than needed. Wrong use of look, see, watch. I am seeing TV now. I am watching TV now. See equals with eyes, not controlled. Look equals focus attention. Watch equals follow something moving. Using more better. This phone is more better than that one. This phone is better than that one. Never use more with comparative adjectives ending in, mixing up by and until. I will finish this work until Friday. I will finish this work by Friday. By before or at a deadline, until up to a point in time. Wrong word with married. She married with a doctor. She married a doctor. Don't use with after marry, confusing borrow and lend. Can you borrow me your book? Can you lend me your book? Borrow take something, lend give something, forgetting plural verbs with collective nouns. British versus American. The team are winning. U.S. English, the team is winning. U.S. English, in British English, team, family, group can be singular or plural. In American English, they're usually singular, using everybody are instead of everybody is. Everybody are happy today. Everybody is happy today. Everybody, someone, anyone, nobody always singular, using would after if in past. If I would be rich, I would travel the world. If I were rich, I would travel the world. In unreal conditionals, use if past simple, would verb, wrong use of during and for. I stayed in London during 3 weeks. I stayed in London for 3 weeks. During equals when something happens, for equals how long it happens, adding to after must. You must study hard. You must study hard. After must, should, can, use the base verb without to. Mixing up since and from. I have been here from Monday. I have been here since Monday. Use since with a starting point, from with a range from Monday to Friday. Using much with positive. I have much friends in school. I have many friends in school. Much is usually for negatives or questions. I don't have much time, while many fits positive countables. Wrong placement of still and yet. I yet haven't finished my homework. I haven't finished my homework yet. I am still doing my homework. Use yet in negative / questions, still for continuing actions. Mixing few and little. I have little friends in this city. I have few friends in this city. Few countable nouns. Friends, books, little uncountable nouns. Money, water, using will after, if, in present. If she will call me, I will be happy. If she calls me, I will be happy. In first conditionals, after if use present tense, not will.